I retired in 2009, and I was going to go back into doing some drawings and paintings that I did prior to my real work life. I was cleaning up my office to put my drawing table together, and I moved my hand into this shelf full of National Geographics to move the pile, get two more in there, and I broke my wrist. It went pop. So it was a horrible library accident. I've made up other stories, but I went to the doctor after about a couple of weeks when I realized I really hurt myself. He decided that there was a broken bone, and he took it out and put a screw in to stabilize the others. It just never stopped hurting. It was very painful. Almost the same pain as I had when I broke it. Basically said the only thing he could do for me was to fuse my wrist. And I really like riding motorcycles. I'm in a classic motorcycle club. I made an appointment and came out to see Dr. Berdia. When he looked at the x-ray, he noticed right away that the screw that was put in my wrist was too long, and it was tearing up all the cartilage in my wrist. The first thing he did was to go in arthroscopically to take the screw out, clean up the mess, and see if that helped. But I think it was too far gone. He says, well, you have two choices, and up till now it's always been fuse. So the choices were fuse your wrist or replace it. So I said, well, let's replace it. That's a no-brainer. When I heard that Dr. Berdia initially was a computer scientist and then got bored and went and became a doctor, I said, this is the kind of guy for me. He's smart, and he probably knows what he's doing. Everyone in this office, and I've been here many times, we're very friendly. They get my weird sense of humor and all that sort of thing. I have nothing but great stuff to say about this place. It's given me my life back. I mean, when you lose your dominant hand, it's pretty important, and I'm still riding.